Warriors. I'm Keely Hanley-Anschel, and I'm the Director of Counseling here. I'm joined today by some of my counseling staff, Mrs. Bianchi, Mr. Doyle, and Mrs. Gustafson. We're here today to discuss course selections for the 25-26 school year. They're now live in Student and ParentVue and will be open from January 15th through January 22nd. This is an exciting time to consider the classes that will aid you in your future goals and also help to explore different courses that tie to a variety of careers. Students have already been placed in their core classes, English, Math, Science, and Social Studies. This happened a little differently this year. Mr. Doyle, can you tell us how this took place this year?
Certainly. This year's students were placed in core classes in one of two ways, either by teacher recommendations or by their previous standardized test scores. Students and their parents would have received a letter from the district explaining the last portion of this process, and you should have or will likely discuss your course placements with your teachers by now.
Mrs. Bianchi, where can students see these core course placements?
The students can log into StudentVue and see these under the Course Requests tab. We encourage students to discuss these placements with parents, and if they have any questions about workload, academic questions, or what they will be learning, to reach out to that teacher in that content area.
Mrs. Gustafson, the StudentVue course request window is open for a short time. If a student changes their mind about something or wants to talk more with their counselor about their course choices, how can they do that?
Well, beginning January 27th through the first few weeks of February, every student will meet one-on-one with their counselor during their science class. This is an opportunity to discuss your goals for high school and beyond, to confirm your course choices, and to make any changes based on discussion with your counselor, teachers, or parents.
Mr. Doyle, what should a student do if they have been recommended for all advanced core classes and are also involved in other activities or other responsibilities, and they think that the course recommendations might be too much?
Sure. If you feel like you want to level down in any course to balance out other areas of your life, you can certainly do that. Have these conversations with your parents and teachers or us as counselors to discuss the best options for you. And those changes can be made through StudentVue until January 22nd, or it can be changed when you meet with your counselor during your course registration meeting, if you cannot change the course within StudentVue on your own.
Mrs. Bianchi, what if a student wants to do the opposite and move up to honors in one of their core classes?
Yeah, if a student wants to level up and challenge themselves, they can certainly do that. We always encourage our students to talk with their current teacher and their parents and carefully consider those placements to figure out what is the best route for themselves. If a student wants to level up, they will have a discussion with their counselor during their course selection meeting, and we can make that change.
Students, your next step will be choosing your electives for next year. Students will receive their grade level tip sheets in their English classes today. Mrs. Gustafson, how should students decide which electives to choose?
Well, last week, students had the opportunity to participate in Exchange Day, and we hope that students were able to discover all they wanted to know about the electives that they were interested in. That day allows students to see 4 electives firsthand and should have assisted in making choices for next year. If students still have questions about electives, please check in with your teacher or your counselor. Additionally, you can look up course descriptions in the course catalog. Those are very helpful and give students a very specific idea of what they might be learning in that class.
Mr. Doyle, is there a place where students can see the course catalog, tip sheets, and other resources?
Yes, there is. The counseling course registration page is currently linked on the student splash page. This provides links to online tip sheets, the course catalog, and other course selection resources.
Students, thanks for listening. We hope that this has allowed you to think a little bit more about the course selection process, how to access your core course recommendations, and how to choose your electives. As always, we are here to support you in this process. Please feel free to ask questions at any time of your counselors, teachers, and of course your parents. Thank you, and have a great day, Warriors.